Wanted. 100,000 people of Bangladeshi and Pakistani origin living in East London. It's an unusual request from the University of London, but there is a very serious purpose behind it. It's to take part in the world's largest genetic study within a community with the sole aim of improving their health and also their life expectancy. Well, Alice Bandukravi has been finding out more about it.
These teenagers at the Spotlight Gym in Tower Hamlets are serious about keeping fit, aware as they are of the extent of ill health suffered in their community.
My mum's side diabetic problems, and my grandma has type 1 diabetes.
We do know that our parents and grandparents do suffer from these problems. My dad suffers from diabetes as well.
We kind of grew up knowing that our families have diabetes, and our parents trying to encourage us into living a healthy lifestyle.
People in East London have some of the poorest health in the country, especially those from the Pakistani and Bangladeshi communities. Pakistani men have the highest rate of heart disease in the UK, and people from a South Asian background are 5 times more likely to suffer from type 2 diabetes. So scientists want to know how much of that is down to environment and lifestyle, and how much is down to genetics. So the scientists are recruiting 100,000 people in East London from these backgrounds to undertake the biggest study of its kind.
People respond differently to medicines. It's not one pill for all. People from some ethnic groups respond differently to medicines, and actually our local Bangladeshi and Pakistani populations are really understudied in terms of health research, and we need to be looking a lot more to deal with some of the health deprivation that there is in East London.
To take part, all you have to do is give a sample of saliva. But those involved in the project believe that this simple process has enormous significance.
Gene therapy is the future, but particularly also it actually gets the participants to think about their own disease. And one of the things I'm hoping people do is by enrolling in this program, they'll start thinking, okay, how can I prevent diabetes?
This is a long-term project on a massive scale with potentially significant medical findings. With the lowest life expectancies in the capital, the people of East London certainly have a lot to gain. Alice Bandukravi, BBC London News.
This is Victoria Lebrec. She